Tonight, Here and Now's Christina Marshall is live with one witness's story.
The law says no use of cell phones handheld when driving. It's not a new law. It's been around for over 4 years, but still a lot of people do it. And according to one man, the Premier is one of them. Kevin Little was driving home yesterday mid-afternoon when he noticed a big black Chevy Avalanche. The driver was talking handheld on a cell phone.
And I slowed right down and I looked at him and stared right at him, and yes, sure enough, it was the Premier. And I put my passenger window down and I yelled out to him and pointed my finger at him like, you know that's illegal. Why are you doing it like that? And he never put his window down, but all he done was shrug his head like that.
He was outraged. It's the top guy after all. So Little went to the RNC to file a complaint.
And the cop said, what are you here for? And I told him why I want to file a complaint. He said, what's the complaint about? I said, I seen Danny Williams on his cell phone while he was driving with a cell phone up to his ear. And the cop said exactly this. He said, do you think that's going to stick? He said, I'm sick and tired of issuing tickets to MHAs who gets away with it. He said, I've issued lots of tickets to MHAs and the Crown either throws them out or overturns them. He said, it's a waste of time. He said, you're wasting time. And I said, are you serious? He said, yes. I said, so are you going to take the complaint or not? He said, he looked up at the clock and he said, no, I haven't got time and there's too much paperwork involved.
This was the first province to ban handheld cell phones while driving. In August, the government was urging other provinces to follow its lead. So, this province is setting the example for other provinces. But what about the example the person leading this province is setting? Here and Now asked the Premier for his explanation.
Yeah, my understanding is that I heard yesterday that some NAPE worker had basically phoned in a complaint about a cell phone. He's indicated now that he's gone to the police with it. So if this is a matter that he's brought to the attention of the police, obviously a matter that could be a matter before the court, so I wouldn't have any comment on that.
You can't comment whether...
No, absolutely not. No, I certainly wouldn't comment on it.
About this today. They said that Kevin Little did indeed show up to the Mount Pearl station at the end of the day. This is when the officer on the desk told Little that he wouldn't be able to process him and take him at that time, and that he should go down to the St. John's headquarters to file a complaint, where you can file a complaint 24 hours a day. The RNC is still waiting for that complaint. Oh, and by the way, just so you know, that the fine for driving while using a handheld cell phone is $100. Reporting live in St. John's, I'm Christina Marshall for Here and Now.